This is the Simmons 8891 head casting for the Simmons 4800 series yard hydrant. A couple things about it. Where it attaches to the piping, it does have the female thread, as well as this hexed portion here. And then the threads in the spout will also be female. What we can go ahead and take a couple measurements of the casting. We'll start with the hex portion here, get an outer and inner diameter. See, it measures right at 2 inches for that outer diameter. And then an inner diameter of about 1.25 inches. A little bit more, but right at about 1.25 inches. And we can go ahead and get the total height. And it's kind of awkward to measure because of all the curves and bends. But we'll measure from the bottom of this hex portion to the top here. Flip it over. So total height, you can see it measures right at about 6 inches. And yeah, once again, this is the Simmons 8891 head casting.